Hey everyone, welcome back to RC Finance Guide, where we provide tips and tricks for boosting your income and helping entrepreneurs grow their business. In our previous video, we talked all about how you can use Facebook for promoting your business with the use of pages, paid ads, groups, and other marketing tools. Similarly, in today's content, we are also going to go over how you can promote your business online, but focusing on the platform of LinkedIn. We'll be sharing with you 6 steps on how you can utilize LinkedIn's community and functions in promoting and marketing your business without spending a single cent. If you like the previous one we made on how to promote your business through Facebook, why not give this video a thumbs up too, as we're sure you'll find these tips helpful. Timestamps will also be available in the description box for easy navigation of each step, so be sure to check that out if you think it'll help you out. Now, onto the video. LinkedIn is a social media platform built primarily for professionals. It's an ideal online platform to network with other professionals, look for career opportunities, and highlight your talents and expertise. Unlike other social media platforms, LinkedIn isn't heavy on selling or marketing your products and services. This is why promoting a business on LinkedIn may mean adopting other kinds of strategies, since its network requires a different approach in order to get your desired results. Thus, having a marketing plan specific for LinkedIn is so important if you want to attain the results you want and appeal to your connections or other businesses. Here are some tips on how to effectively market your business on LinkedIn. Step 1. Optimize your profile. No matter what type of business you want to promote on LinkedIn, your personal profile will be the first thing users see when they search for you or your business. To attract potential partners and customers, your banner, headline, and profile summary must be appealing and should be able to tell us exactly who you are, what you do, and why it matters, so they'll have a reason to interact with you. Step 2. Create a LinkedIn company page. Having a company page is essential if you are a marketer, business owner, or entrepreneur. A LinkedIn company page will allow you to inform and connect with potential clients, partners, and workers more about your company. You will need to make frequent, interesting updates if you want people to stick around, follow you, and eventually think about purchasing from you. To create a company page, simply click on the work icon at the top right of your browser. Scroll to the bottom of the menu that pops up and pick Create a Company Page. Then, choose the page type that is most appropriate to your nature of business. There are 4 available options: small business, medium to large business, showcase page, educational institution. Once you choose a page type, start filling in your details, after which you should customize your logo and tagline, since they will serve as the first impression that LinkedIn users will have of you. So spend as much time as necessary to write a good tagline. When you're done, click Create Page and now have a company page live and running on LinkedIn. We also advise to use translations, add keywords in your description, hashtags, and a custom button that will be displayed next to the follow button users will see on your page. Step 3. Build your page following. Once you've set up a company page for your business, the next step you should do is build its following. If you have employees working for you, you can ask your employees to update their profile and link it to the page. There's also the option of sending out invitations to your connections, such as existing customers and friends, to follow your page. Another way to gain more followers is by getting active on LinkedIn groups. LinkedIn groups is a great tool for networking. Additionally, it could be a good way of building both your personal network connections and page followers. Although the platform doesn't allow company pages to join groups, you would still be able to use your personal profile. Since many groups allow users to share page content, you can use that chance to market or promote your page, raise awareness about your business, and do some good old-fashioned networking. Building your page following is essential because how is anyone going to know your page exists if you do not tell them? Step 4. Share and post engaging content. LinkedIn is an excellent platform for sharing industry news, insights, and other valuable content such as blog, articles, infographics, videos, and other types of content. When it comes to LinkedIn, it's all about sharing knowledge and skills, and what better approach than to establish yourself as a credible professional than to make posts about topics that are important to your target audience. Content marketing relies heavily on writing blogs and articles that interest your audience, solves a problem, and introduces new concepts. So, share content that will match and be relevant to your industry and target audience. The key is to ensure that the content is valuable and holds significance to your target audience. This will help you establish yourself as a knowledgeable expert in your field of work and potentially attract new customers. Also, try highlighting your best content so it'll be the first thing that users see on their feed when checking your profile. Step 5. Paid marketing. If you have a budget for advertising, consider using LinkedIn ads to target specific audiences based on job title, industry, location, and more. This can be especially useful if you're trying to reach potential customers that might be interested in your products or services. LinkedIn allows you to market on the platform by running self-service ad campaigns with sponsored content, message ads, dynamic ads, or text ads, all powered by LinkedIn's all-in-one advertising platform Campaign Manager. With Campaign Manager, you may decide on your campaign's budget, goals such as clicks versus impressions, and timetable. Moreover, the platform contains a number of added tools and functions that are designed to help you meet your advertising goals. It's good to try out several sorts of ads to find what works best when initially utilizing paid promotions on LinkedIn. With more ad alternatives, you can achieve your marketing objectives. You could try any of the several paid marketing options like sponsored content, sponsored messaging, conversation ads, message ads, video or text ads, boosted posts. Step 6. Optimize your page for search. Optimizing a LinkedIn page for search helps business owners increase their visibility and discoverability within the platform, allowing them to connect with relevant industry contacts, opportunities, and potential employers or clients. Some ways to do this include inserting keywords, linking to your page, using hashtags. Hashtags are commonly utilized to emphasize your LinkedIn post, but they truly have a purpose that can improve your marketing approach. Even the simplest texts, when followed by hashtags, become gold mines for reaching new audiences and niches. However, utilizing too many or the wrong ones can result in the opposite of online business growth. So there you have it, friends. The 6 ways you can market your business on LinkedIn. One must be aware, however, that even with the ease of tips provided in this video, promoting on LinkedIn will definitely take some great strategy to effectively market it all. However, if you put in the mileage, do necessary work, and make use of effective tactics on the platform, it will all be worth the effort. Thank you so much for staying with us in this video. If you enjoy and want to learn more about digital marketing, we also make videos on topics like these, and that will definitely suit your interests in learning online business strategies. So, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences with LinkedIn marketing, and stay tuned for more insightful videos. In the meantime, happy marketing on LinkedIn!